Fall DIY coming soon. Check out this Glam sneak peek. Turn these new items at Dollar Tree into something glam and gorgeous. What are your thoughts on this Glam candle holder? Let me know in the comments below. Wondering where I got this beautiful rhinestone chain? Look no further than Beebeecraft. Sis, I got you. Use this coupon code THINGS5 and save $5 on any order over $40. Links will be in the description box below. Welcome back to Wild Things Creative Crafting. Subscribe. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Like this video.